guys, and welcome back. Today is going to be the makeup that I'm going to be wearing in the month of July. It's my July makeup stash. I know it's probably near the end of July now by the time this video is coming out. I filmed it kind of late in the month. It's already like mid-July and I'm just sitting down to film it now, but I still wanted to get it out this month because I feel like I don't miss a lot of these and I just really didn't want to miss a month. So I'm still gonna film it. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna wear this month. I don't have too much makeup. A lot of the makeup that I have been using has been the same makeup since like January, so I don't want to bring it up in every video. We have some new makeup on the list this month, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. I haven't filmed a video with like my ring light and this in my background for a while, so this is so strange to me. I'm sorry if you can like see my mirror on the bottom of the frame or anything like that. I'm not used to filming with this setup anymore. I always film in natural lighting when I can now. But anyway, I don't have any primers to talk about because it's all the same as last month. But for base products, I have some new stuff, some old. One of the products that I've been meaning to use, and I just haven't got around to it, is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. The shade is Natural Buff N3. I'm actually wearing it on my skin today. It's a perfect match right now for my summer skin. I'm going out tomorrow, so I think I actually might throw it on. I don't really like wearing foundation these days, but this one is very lightweight. You can hardly feel it on your skin, and it looks very natural as well. Like, it really doesn't look like I have a full face of makeup on right now, so I think it's going to be fine to wear. It's really good for a drugstore foundation. Like, it definitely feels more expensive than drugstore. It is kind of expensive though. It's like maybe $16, $17 Canadian, so it's not cheap, but I feel like the quality is there. It's really nice and I really do enjoy it on my skin. I love how glowy it's making my face look. So yeah, there's that foundation. Then another foundation that I have on the list is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in the shade 550 Light Medium. Another product that I do really like, I just haven't worn recently and I keep meaning to wear it. It's actually going to be on my list of products that I want to use up on my Pandemonium list because I really want to finish it. I've had it for a while. So that's why it is back on the menu this month. And then two new products this month. My First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Sand. I really like this one. It's so nice on the skin. It's not drugstore, so it is a little bit more expensive, but it's really worth it. It's so beautiful, flawless. Looks like your skin, but it still covers a bit and it really just makes your skin look glowy, fresh, and healthy. I really love it. I also have the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in the shade 210. And the only reason why I popped this one in the bag this month is because it's very dark. Like, the shade is quite dark, so I don't think it's going to work as well in the winter, spring. I might be able to pull it off in the fall because it is so sheer that I feel like the color doesn't matter as much, and I still kind of have my tan in the beginning of fall, so I might still be able to pull it off then. But because we're in the thick of summer, I figured I better wear it while I can. Only one concealer that I want to talk about just because it's new. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have the shade Medium Sand, and I'm wearing this one on my face today. I just put a little bit of it under my eyes and around my mouth. I've not worn this much because I got it in the winter or I think I did. Maybe I got it in the fall. No, I think I got it in the winter and it was way too dark. But now that it matches my skin, I want to reach for it again. So that's why it is on the list. I put away the Colourpop one. I'm still finishing the L'Oreal concealer, so that's still on my list as well. But I talk about that one so much I didn't want to show it today. Bronzers, I'm pretty much using the same stuff, but I have one additional bronzer I wanted to talk about. And by same stuff, I mean the Rimmel contour stick that I've been trying to use up. My new bronzer is the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Soleil. I have this one on my face today. It gives my skin such a beautiful, healthy, bronzy glow. It is bronze, but it has these like flecks of gold in it. It's not glittery, like I can't see glitter on my skin, but it really does give my face a very glowy, healthy complexion, and I really like it. I think that's also contributing to like the more glowy skin right now. It's a really nice product. Milani tends to be pretty good when it comes to their baked products, so no complaints here, and it's my summer bronzer. I really love it in the summertime. And then some blushes, some new ones I want to talk about. The NYX Sweet Cheeks Soft Cheek Tint in the shade Almost Famous. I'm wearing this one on my cheeks right now. I really like it. I love kind of orangey or just warm reds in the summer. Just beautiful on medium skin tones, on tan skin tones. I think you'd really like this. And then my other blush is the NYX Bear With Me blush in the shade Creative Cleanse, which I pull out every summer because it's such a summery blush, not just in the color, which is kind of this like bright pink. In the formula as well, also feels like summer. It's very cooling on your cheeks. It hydrates. It's really an amazing formula, and every summer I pull it back out because it has that cooling sensation, which I love, especially when you're hot and sweaty and sticky and you don't really want to wear makeup, but you still got to add a blush. I feel like this is the perfect option. And then a highlighter that I'm trying to finish up. It's on my pandemonium list. This is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Illuminating Highlighter in the shade Light. I have this one underneath my foundation right now. So I started my makeup application by just applying this on the high points of my cheeks and kind of like down the center of my nose, and that was it. I actually prefer this one under foundation. That's how I recommend using it because it's very intense and metallic, and I don't know about you, but I'm kind of like over the intense highlighters. I've been over them for a while, but under foundation this really does illuminate your skin. It gives you a very like lit from within complexion. I just dropped my L'Oreal Lumi and I was so afraid that it cracked because it's glass, but it's okay. Everything's fine. Whew, my heart is like pumping. Okay, so on to eyeshadows. I actually don't have a single palette this month because I received this in the mail, and they are the Estate Cosmetics Just a Taste Pigment mini pigment palette. So they gave me 4 of them, and I figured why not use them this month because they're so cute. This is what they look like. Estate is a Canadian brand. It's made in Montreal. They do send me this for free, but I really enjoy their makeup. I actually think they're a really good affordable makeup brand, and I hope they end up in drugstores. This first one that I have in my hand right now, and it's also on my eyes, is Foxtrot. This is kind of like a dark green. I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but it kind of looks brown, but it's actually a dark green. You get 2 metallic shades and this kind of matte brown. I love it. It's a perfect bronzy summer palette. So that one's on my eyes right now. To show you the other ones we have on Wednesdays. Again, 2 metallics, 2 mattes, a transition, a deeper one, and then you got that pretty corally pink and this kind of taupe bronzy shade. I have Peach Punch. I actually love this one as well. This one has kind of the same neutral palettes. You definitely don't need all of these. I'm just showing you guys all of them, and I chose them all for this month so I can switch between them. But this one just has that nice like pop of purple. It is matte, but you do get, again, 2 metallics, 2 mattes. And then the last one I have is Merbabe. Again, neutral with just 1 pop of color, which is obviously in a mermaid teal, which is metallic. This one is actually 3 mattes and 1 metallic. Well, this one's kind of satiny, I guess. But anyways, this is Merbabe. I'm really excited to wear these. I love the formula so far. They're not too pigmented, they're easy to work with, and I have no complaints so far. And then, last but not least, we have lip products. So, first lip product that I think I've mentioned in a previous month, but it's just a tint from Colourpop, and it is in the shade More Than Ever, which is just perfect. Oh my god, I'm choking. Oh no, I'm not choking. I just have a really dry mouth right now. Or throat. But this is More Than Ever. It's the perfect like balm for the summer. Colourpop's Ultra Blotted in the shade Vitamin C, which again, I think I chose last month, but I haven't been able to put it down or away. So here it is again. I love the Ultra Blotteds because they're sheer and blotted, which is beautiful in the summer. It really just looks effortless. It's not drying on my lips. It lasts a long time, and it's just the perfect summer formula. So that is Vitamin C. Then a coral that I haven't worn coral in a while, but I really love it. It's L'Oreal's Luminous Pink from their Age Perfect line. It's fun. It's comfortable. This is actually a very comfortable lipstick, and it's super long wearing as well. I definitely want to pick up more, maybe like a nude, because the formula is so good, and it's really long wearing for like a hydrating product. The color lasts on my lips all day. So really love that one. And again, that is Luminous Pink. And then the one I have on my lips right now is NYX's Dazed and Diffused Blurring Lipstick in the shade On Fuego, which I love. of. It's the color of summer, basically. It's this beautiful, bright, rich red, like a deep orangey red shade, almost neon-like. I love it. It's perfect for summer, obviously. I'm torn between wearing this one to the wedding that I'm going to at the end of July, or this one, which is Revlon's Colorstay Satin Ink in Fired Up. It's kind of more of a brownish red shade. It's more like a brick, I guess, but I'm torn between wearing one of these bright colors. I don't know why. I know it's a lot for a wedding, but I'm kind of tempted to wear it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up like good wedding guest makeup looks, because I haven't gotten ready for a party in over a year, like since pre-COVID, and I'm just not used to it. It's so much like, I feel like it's so much pressure to look good now because no one's seen me for like a year, and it's good. I don't know. My makeup's probably gonna be a mess, but I can't decide between wearing the bright red or kind of this like muted brick red. I guess we'll see. I'll probably end up in a nude, but we'll see. Hopefully I do something fun. Anyway, those are all of the lipstick options this month. It's kind of a good range, I guess. It's got a variety of different formulas here, different colors. And that is it for July. Those are all of the makeup products that I want to reach for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed my picks. Let me know what you're going to be wearing in the summertime. Let me know what your like favorite go-to summer makeup is, or like especially if it's from the drugstore, let me know. Like I say in almost every video, I don't wear makeup that much anymore. I really only wear it when I'm filming. Like I don't even know when I wear makeup. Like sometimes I'll just throw on eyeliner and mascara and that's it. I barely wear stuff on my face anymore, so it feels weird to have like actual makeup on my skin right now. But I'm kind of excited. I feel like this is a good selection of products. I'm gonna have some fun this month with the different options. Thank you guys as always for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.